Okay, in this quick video, I'm going to review our standard 4D, where we are converting a quadratic function in standard form to vertex form by completing the square. So here is the vertex form, y equals a times x minus h plus k. And we learned in class that the vertex is the hk. But the function is given to us in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. So the process for converting it by completing the square, we have to find b divided by 2, or half of b, and then square it. Well, over here, I've worked that out. Half of negative 12 is negative 6. And then when you square negative 6, you get 36. So what we're going to do is we're going to add and subtract 36 to this function. I'll show you that here. And the reason that we do that is because now the x squared minus 12x plus 36, that is a perfect squared trinomial whose factors is a binomial squared, a binomial times itself. And that binomial is going to be half of negative 12, which is the negative 6. We're just going to write it as x minus 6. So again, this x minus 6 squared, that is when you square x minus 6, you get this x squared minus 12x plus 36. So we have factored this part of it. Now the remaining negative 36 plus 5, when we work that out, we get negative 31. So now we have written in standard form the function. It's y equals a, which in this one is 1, times x minus h plus k. Once you have it written, of course, in vertex form, then you ought to be able to identify the vertex. And the vertex is going to be 6, negative 31. Don't forget that it's going to be opposite of this, because in the vertex form, it's x minus h. Well, for this to be minus 6, then again, it's minus a positive 6, so minus 6. And then the k is just exactly what it is, negative 31. All right? And then once you have the vertex, you should be able to also identify the axis of symmetry. And the axis of symmetry is an equation where x equals what the x value is of the vertex. So x equals 6, okay? All right, that is a review that should help you with the quiz questions.